Top 5 Best Benchtop Bandsaw for Woodworking. Number 5. Jet JWBS14 SFX 14-inch Woodworking Bandsaw. For serious woodworkers, the Jet JWBS14 SFX is a high-performance bandsaw that caters to larger projects. Its resaw capacity exceeds 13 inches, enabling you to work on larger pieces of wood or slice veneers with ease. The massive 360 square inch cast iron table provides unmatched workpiece support, making it ideal for heavy-duty cutting tasks. Its heavy-duty tubular steel construction ensures long-lasting stability and durability, so you can rely on this machine for even the most challenging projects. One of the top features is the toolless adjustment system for the upper and lower ball bearing blade guides. This simplifies blade changes and ensures quick, accurate setup for different cutting operations. The machine's dual 4-inch dust ports also contribute to a cleaner workspace by efficiently collecting dust as you work. Additionally, the oversized trunnion system allows for precise and quick table adjustments, improving the overall workflow. While it's on the more expensive side, the Jet JWBS14 SFX delivers premium features, and for those handling large-scale or professional woodworking projects, it's an investment that will pay off in quality and efficiency. Coming in number 4. Woodskil 3-amp 9-inch band saw. The Woodskil 3-amp 9-inch band saw provides a well-rounded solution for woodworkers seeking power and precision in a compact form. Its 2,500 fpm blade speed and motor running at 1720 rpm ensure quick and clean cuts without back-and-forth motion. The blade dimensions, 59.5 inch long and 1/8 to 3/8 of an inch wide, allow for a variety of cuts, from straight lines to intricate curves. With a maximum cutting depth of 3.5 inch and a cutting width of 9 inches, this saw is perfect for small to medium-sized projects. A unique feature of the Woodskil is its multi-angle cutting capability. The sturdy cast aluminum table tilts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, and the miter gauge provides precise, angled cuts with ease. Whether you're working on straight lines, curves, or beveled edges, the Woodskil's rip fence ensures accuracy. Stability is guaranteed by its steel base, which reduces vibrations during use, and its dust port and brush system help maintain a clean workspace. It's a solid, versatile tool for both hobbyists and more advanced woodworkers, offering value with reliable performance. Coming in number 3. Rikon 10-3061 Deluxe Bandsaw. Rikon 10-3061 is a serious contender for woodworkers who need more than the average benchtop bandsaw. It is equipped with a 1/2 horsepower motor, offering more power and capacity than most other models in its class. The increased blade speed and cutting depth make it capable of handling a variety of projects, from hobby work to more serious woodcraft. The table tilts from 5 degrees left to 45 degrees right, giving you ample flexibility for angled cuts. One standout feature of the Rikon 10-3061 is its toolless guide bearing adjustments, which allow for easy setup and fine-tuning without fiddling with wrenches. The blade tension and tracking mechanisms are similarly easy to adjust, making it simple to maintain consistent accuracy while cutting. This saw is built for durability, with its large and heavy-duty design, over 80 pounds, making it one of the more stable saws on this list. Additionally, the onboard storage for tools and the rip fence is a smart feature, keeping everything you need within easy reach. For woodworkers seeking a balance of quality, power, and precision, this Rikon model is a top choice, despite being on the higher end of the price spectrum. Coming in number 2. Skil BW9500 Benchtop Bandsaw. Skil's BW9500 is engineered for those who require consistent performance on various woodworking projects. Its 2.8 amp induction motor delivers sufficient power to slice through a variety of wood materials, providing the versatility you need in your woodworking shop. One of the key features that sets this model apart is the 2-speed drive system, allowing you to adjust belt tension without tools, which is convenient when transitioning between different materials or cutting styles. This bandsaw shines in precision cutting, thanks to its ball bearing and lower blade guides that ensure consistent tracking. You can rely on it to make clean, accurate cuts every time. The rack and pinion table adjustment system also ensures quick angle adjustments, which is a bonus when you're working on a project that requires changes in positioning. Additionally, the saw has a dust port compatible with standard 2 1/2 inch vacuum hoses, allowing for dust-free working conditions. The sturdy steel base minimizes vibrations, keeping the saw stable during operation. The blade tracking sight window adds another layer of accuracy, making it easier to follow your cut lines perfectly. Coming in number 1. Wen BA3959 9-inch bandsaw. This saw is built for precision and power in a compact design. With a 2.8 amp motor, the blade spins at a remarkable speed of 2,500 feet per minute, cutting through wood with ease. The ability to make cuts up to 3.5 inch deep and 9 inches wide ensures you have ample capacity for most projects. The flexibility it offers with the 59.5 inch blades, which can range from 1/8 to 3/8 of an inch, allows for a mix of delicate, detailed work and stronger, more aggressive cuts. Whether you're looking to craft intricate curves or straightforward rip cuts, the Wen BA3959 does the job. A significant highlight of this saw is its 12.25 by 11 7/8 inch work table that bevels up to 45 degrees, making angled cuts much easier. The saw also comes with practical extras like a rip fence, a miter gauge, and a dust port that connects to a standard vacuum hose to keep your workspace clean. The adjustable blade guard with ball bearing supports ensures smooth operation and extends the blade's lifespan. It's also backed by a 2-year warranty, offering peace of mind to those new to benchtop bandsaws. Its combination of ease of use and power makes it perfect for hobbyists and light commercial use.